So many people have asked me, can type 2 diabetes be reversed? The answer is yes, if you really understand why diabetes has developed to you. The meaning of type 2 diabetes is constant elevation of sugar levels in the blood. In other words, we can say that the body's natural system of maintaining the blood sugar levels has got impaired. In normal situation, whenever we eat, the blood sugar levels elevates and a signal goes to the pancreas gland to secrete a hormone called insulin. Insulin hormone facilitates the entry of sugar molecules into the cells of our body. So if someone is having type 2 diabetes, this means the insulin hormone is not working properly in their body. Why it is not working? Let's see. The root cause of type 2 diabetes is eating disorder, our pattern of eating. Whenever we are eating, insulin hormone is putting all sugar molecules into the cell. But we just had our meal and again we are eating. Then the sugar molecules of the previous meals are still in our cell. They are not burned completely till now, as cells have also a specific capacity to burn certain glucose molecule at a certain period of time. So the cells have already glucose molecule present in them to burn. So now they close their door so that no other glucose molecule can enter into them. And then insulin hormone is unable to enter sugar molecules into the cell, and that is how the sugar levels in the blood are constantly elevated. And when this pattern is repeated for so many years, then the cell becomes resistant to insulin hormone, and that is how insulin resistance develops. Diabetes doesn't happen in a day, it slowly progresses over the years. And at that time our body really struggles to maintain and control this situation, but we do not change our eating habit, and after some time diabetes is detected. We can reduce type 2 diabetes medication, and it can be completely reversed too if we eat according to our age, weight, health condition and current blood reports. If you are suffering from type 2 diabetes or already in pre-diabetic situation, then you can reverse it with me. I hope you will use this information to reverse your diabetes. Be happy, stay healthy.